Hello, it is Trainer Debbie with BlaBla Commentz, and today I wanted to show you how to do verbal feedback with the Chrome extension. You can now select feedback from the cloud and filter by student specific or lesson specific to see what others have said about that student or about the lesson before you. You can select from templates or extension history. We've improved the design and user interface, making it easier to create new user feedback. The extension will automatically detect the student's name and the lesson ID number, as well as include any of the vocabulary words. So if you want to choose from the cloud, this will give you the opportunity from other teachers who have left feedback for this exact same student, from templates that you have created, or extension history from your previously used feedback. All you have to do now is choose whichever one that you want, whichever feedback that you want, and then you can either read it directly from here as you record it, or if you want to just click on it, then it will go into the box down below. We look forward to your feedback, and we wish you happy teaching.